We're GoToMath.com. Working some calculus. We're down here, Rules of Differentiation, and we are in, is that the section we're in? I've forgotten. I think that's the problem we want to look at. We're going to take the derivative of this guy, and I'm going to actually write that down. You should too. Write that down, write it down. Let's write it down. Arc secant of 4x to the fourth plus 9. 4x to the fourth plus 9. Okay. I'm going to try to write neater here. Try to write neater. We have y is equal to 5. 5 seems to be popping up a lot lately. I don't know. 5. We got arc secant. Arc secant, yeah. Of 4x to the fourth plus 9. Now the key here is you should have memorized this. This was your homework last night. Well, I'm just joking, but anyway. I did stress that you need to memorize these simple ones here. Where are we at? Okay, so the derivative of arc secant is 1 over x times the square root of, I think that's, I'm trying to remember, x minus 1. Alright, so that's something you needed to commit to memory. Okay, and I think somewhere in calculus, maybe trig substitution, a method of doing something, method of integration, trig substitution, I'm thinking that we derive these up. I'm trying to remember. Anyway, we'll eventually get there. Where are we at? We're taking the derivative. So we got y prime is equal to, so I'm going to rewrite this 5. Okay. And of course, the derivative of arc secant is all of this. So let's leave some room here. 1 over. Now, this x, whatever's in the parentheses right here, which is all of this, gets substituted in. Right. 4x to the fourth plus 9. Promised myself I would try to write neater. And then, of course, we're going to have to rewrite that again. 4x to the fourth plus 9 quantity squared minus 1 times, and then we take the derivative of what's in parentheses and bring it out. So 4 times 4 is 16, and then that becomes x to the third power. Alright, so we've got y prime. So now we have 5 times 1 times 16. And that's 80, right? I don't know what that is, but we better take a look. 6 times 5 is 30. 5, 6, oh, it is 80. That's cool. So we have 80 x to the third over, we got to rewrite all this. So we have 4 x to the fourth plus 9. Then we've got the square root of 4x to the fourth plus 9 squared minus 1. Is that it? I hope that's it. Let's check it out. Let's see if it compares. And there is no difference. 80x cubed, 4x to the fourth plus 9. I think that's what I got written down, isn't it? Yes, it looks good. And if it all looks good, eat it. I don't know. Been watching a lot of Anthony Zimmerman. Not lately, actually, but that's what he always says, if you know him. GoToMath.com. That's where you want to be. I'll see you there. Bye.